Someone commented on one of my recent videos and asked me to post something about confidence. Not just confidence when you're speaking or presenting, which obviously is my usual bag, but confidence in yourself. Confidence as a small business owner. Now, confidence is one of those things that in many ways is intangible. It's quite hard to define, to pin down, but we know it when we see it. And I think we also notice the lack of it. We can tell when somebody is lacking in confidence, particularly self-confidence. So a few thoughts on how you can help improve your confidence. First of all, be proud of your achievements and your skills. Every time that you meet a goal, that you achieve something, notice it, be proud of it, own it. But also think about the things you're good at. All of us are good at something. It might be music or sport or business, or it might be something really small, like you might be really good at smiling. You might be really good at welcoming people. You might be really good at making people feel at home, feel relaxed. All these things are to be celebrated. They are part of what makes you, you. Be proud of them. And actually feeling that sense of pride, knowing that you're good at these things, will really help you to come across as more confident. I think another part of confidence is, I'm going to use the word assertiveness. Now, assertiveness to some people can be a slight negative, but I think you do have to make sure that you are having your say, that you're telling somebody what you do or don't want or like. It's also about knowing when to say no. Now, that's not to say that you're just going to reject everything, ever. But confidence sits in knowing when you can say, you know what, no, I'm afraid I don't have time, or that's not my skill set, or I'm not going to be able to do that, or no, that doesn't really fit with what I'm up to at the moment. Sometimes confidence is in the no's, not just in the yeses. Yes all the time can mean that you are perhaps being a doormat. So think about how you can say no politely. No, not yet. Or no, but I can suggest somebody who could. Or no, because. Not just a no in a way that puts other people down. And that's another part of confidence. Don't put other people down to make yourself feel better. Lift everybody up and you'll all feel more confident. So that's just skimming the surface of what is actually a huge topic. So I may explore more of this in future videos. But confidence really comes from within. And it is something that you can practice. When you wake up, think, I'm going to have a confident day today. Just tell yourself that's how you're going to feel. That's how you're going to act. That's how you're going to believe in yourself. And you'll be surprised. It will come across to other people. So be proud, be assertive, be confident, be you. Good luck.